What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Rachel, your truly expert. So, in today's COVID events, Austin happened to find a box of Rosé Truly. Now, I know what you may be thinking here. Truly? What? How could you be drinking those? Let me tell you something. We don't drink White Claw in this house. We drink Trulies and we drink whiskey. So let's just go ahead and get into this box. As you can see, it has beautiful rose patterns on it. It's described as hard seltzer with a hint of California grape. We don't fuck with no Oregon grapes, only the real here. Original vine. Old vine? Ancient grapes? Ancient vine? Fuck, I don't know, I don't drink wines. Beautiful roses on the box. One thing to note is it is still 5% alcohol. On the lemonade seltzers, you may find that it's 1% juice. This is just labeled as contains alcohol. I don't know if you can, yeah, let's just jump into it, I guess. In typical Truly fashion, both of these are 100 calories. The Rosé actually has less carbohydrates. Grabbed a wild berry here. This also has 2 grams of carbs. Back to where we were. There's only 1 gram of added sugar. This is made with cane sugar. This is made with stevia. Ingredients include water, alcohol from cane sugar, natural flavors, sugar, cane sugar at that, citric acid, carbon dioxide, and hops. There's no hops in the other ones. They're not beer. So when everybody's calling this shit seltzer beer, tell them they are full of it. There's no hops, unless you're drinking this one. So let's go ahead and just pop this bad boy open. Nice look at the can there. We're gonna go ahead, give it a taste test. You know what it tastes like? First off, it tastes like beer. Probably because of the hops. So now we can officially call Truly's seltzer beer. Like a Belgian beer. It's still light. It has some floral notes with a hint of, I don't taste the hint of grapes. It's kind of not that good. I would say real rosé is better. Ultimately, I think this is a beer. This is not Truly. Is it drinkable? Sure. I mean, I drink it, but it's not A1. Shout out to the black cherry.